Huh. I wonder, how do you used to have 1,000 or 1,000,000 or 100 subscribers? Oh, didn't you? Guys, welcome to the back from the video. Please subscribe, leave a like, so I can make more videos for you. So guys, I know I want to play Minecraft Pokemon Go, but guys, I need a camera. I'm recording. I'm recording with my tablet. So I'm gonna show something me like a camera I can like play games and stuff. Okay, hold on. So guys, today I'm gonna build a Lego. So this is my spaceship. I wanna build a new one. Yeah, this is not gonna work. Because of this, I'm gonna do 3 videos on English and 3 videos in Spanish. So I already did one in Spanish, and this is my second one doing in English. This is my third video making. And I'm gonna say this in Spanish. Así que voy a hacer 3 videos en español y 3 videos en inglés. Hice uno de español que era del Nintendo 3DS. Y ahora y los dos ya hice uno de Pokémon Cards y este va a ser de Legos. Así que please subscribe, leave a like, please. So I'm making more videos, you guys. So guys, I know, but in the comments down below, you can tell me who think is gonna win the Super Bowl 51, and what do you think? Who do you think is gonna win? Patriots or Atlanta Falcons? I'm gonna say Falcons because they said that. So they said that the quarterback from Patriots was having a problem, I guess. I think that said that. People said that. I'm like, what? That's not my team. I got the New York Giants. It's a pretty low team. No, you disagree with it. I don't care. My choice. My opinion. Okay? Whatever that. Okay, so I'm gonna start with this. So into this, we're just gonna put this great thing right here. Yeah. And then we're gonna put, oh, it's gonna be hard. I'm gonna put like the other one, I guess. No. So from there, I'm gonna have like my team over there. Yeah. I'll pass me Hollywood, right into the sun, right into the sunset. And you know how, and with that, how you know how, and I'm meditation, just wait into the sun. Damn. Back in, guess. And then I'm gonna put this. The heck was that? I'm gonna put like, I'm gonna be fair to see. You could see a little bit. So those things, oh, it's backwards. Oh, that's right. So both of things, and then from there, going Monday. Oh, guys, tomorrow. Sucks bad for that. So we get that. We put that there. Okay, I'll put wrong. Okay. Did I put it around? So then sometimes I want you guys to subscribe. I know you haven't suggest new YouTubers. But the problem is that, come on, the problem is that every time I made a video, I made a video about my PS Vita, and you go like, Carlos, what's a PS Vita? Well, a PS Vita is a mini PlayStation. And when you use it, you can play Minecraft, anything that you have on your PlayStation. Well, not some of them, because some of them are hard to download. So, now you got that, you can build, like, and then you can play Minecraft. So I try to make a Minecraft video. I made it with more than 50 minutes, it can upload because I had more time to actually use. So that's why. Guys, look at this idea you just had. Well, no, this is the same. Okay. No, are these the same? Yes or no? No. So I'm gonna make like putting little guns and all their but Lego, and you're gonna attack something you gun to do, but no real guns. I'm like, what? I barely think I got 6 subscribers. I'm gonna go back, and I want to end this video because I have no idea. I haven't even tried for a while. So this is what I got. These things look real cool. See guys. Ah! What the heck is wrong with these things? Okay. Okay. That's better. Now these things, put it back to here. And let me just do what I want. So I'm gonna put this one. Like, I'm gonna put like, blocks, but these are in the bucket. That's making a lot of noise because you're gonna blow. Oh my gosh, it's going to blow a whole one. So, the heck is this? Some words. Then what is and then Spanish me? What? ¿Qué es eso? ¿Qué es eso? Déjame ver. What in the world is this block? I only need the square, so only that, please. Thank you. Then from there, I'm gonna add like. I'm gonna go. Okay, ahí déjalos. Ahí déjalos. ¿Aquí? My sister. Sí, sí, ahí. That was my sister, guys. Talk Spanish too. So I barely have like a little problem. Problem is no, there's no problem. Nope. Yes. What an instinctual component. I would think, right, guys? So on there, you ever did I even grab one of those? No. What's in that? And then there, a little block. Okay. I think I just did it. That's why I can like, just fall off, I guess. So what in the world is... I gotta have some fish. Okay, now I'm getting used to it. I think I'm not getting used to it. What in the world are you supposed to do here? Come on! Does it always need to fail? Remember. Okay. Hollywood, oh, I hit my house. Oh, that hurt. Oh, guys, no. Oh, it hurts. Let's get this block. I'm gonna hurt. Oh, should put this one first. Let's see. Riding through the sun. Riding through the sun. I'm not gonna make it mad. I'm gonna have to. So guys, this is all I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna continue this. I don't know. Stay. Okay, so this is. So Nick, what is this screen thing? So I know you can't see good, I guess. That way you can go like this was a person. Sorry. Like this is a person, right? And then it was like, I'm gonna go up here. Boop, boop. Boop, 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 boop. I need to go like the scenes too. I think I'm gonna do it right now because I got the blocks I need to. But the problem is I don't have any characters. I did used to have one, but then nobody knows that happened. I do, but it's gonna be nasty. But please show me, no. Just ransom. There's the seat. Put this backwards. Okay. This is all I got it today. So guys, I want you to subscribe. Leave a like, please. And please subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.